Hi everyone! Today, we're drawing the amazing Spider-Man. Let's start with the big eyes. And now, let's draw the other eye. Keep drawing with me, step by step. Next, we draw the head. Right in the middle of the face, draw a line down to where the nose would be. Now draw a small spiderweb shape there. This will help us place the rest of the web lines. Follow me as we draw those lines across his face. Next, we color around the eyes with black, looking cool already. Now let's draw his hand in a web shooting pose. Then we move on to his awesome superhero suit. Let's draw one leg. And the other one. Keep going with the web lines. It's easy if you follow me. Now draw the other arm, and don't forget the cool glove details. And here comes the most exciting part, the spider on his chest. Once the spider is ready, finish the last suit details, and guess what? You did it! Let's bring Spider-Man to life with colors. Now it's time to color however you like. Don't forget to follow my channel so you won't miss the next fun drawing.